Open your browser and type the address www.admissions.umt.edu.pk. Look for the green Apply Now button near the top right corner and click. You will be taken to the online admissions portal. Proceed to create new account. Enter the required details and click Verify before sign up. Confirm the details and continue if correct. Please check the inbox of the provided email address. Open the email and click the link provided in the message. On the following page, click Login. Check your inbox for a new email that will have the login details. Enter the login details and enter the online admissions portal. Read through the guidelines carefully before starting the application. Fields marked with an asterisk are mandatory. Once you begin the application, select the fields of your choice. Once the section is complete, click Save and Proceed. In this section, add your personal details and upload a clear photograph. Click Save and Proceed. In the next section, add your family's details. Click Save and Proceed. The next section will ask for your qualification details. Select the relevant fields and fill in the required information. Once complete, click Save and Proceed. In the next section, provide details of honors and awards received as appropriate. This is an optional section and you can skip this. Once complete, click Save and Proceed. This section pertains to tests and is also optional. Skip it if not applicable or provide details where appropriate. The next section requires the applicant to provide at least 2 references. Click Save and Proceed. In the Documents sections, please upload the relevant files in JPG, JPEG, or PNG formats. Max file size 400 kilobytes. Print the fee voucher or fill in the details and upload an image of the paid fee voucher. Click Save and Proceed. In the Scholarship section, select the relevant scholarship if applying, or skip the section altogether. In the next section, carefully read the undertaking and select the tick box at the bottom. Click Save and Proceed. Your application has been submitted. Kindly note the VPN number for all future references. Thank you.